Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And for those of you that have been watching the the videos, I've done this analysis quite a few times, taken the past couple of days off, but that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And at this point in time, I'm actually just going to get rid of these lines. Yes, they all still pertain to the chart, but in the spirit from a presentation standpoint of not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the big kind of question that I got is, what's going on with the chart? And as I've said in past videos, it depends. It's all about perspective, meaning if you bought right there, or you bought right there, or you bought right there, and you were hoping to sell and you're a day trader within, 12 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's not looking so good. But if you care about the big picture of things, the bulls are still in control. Now, granted, the bears have picked up some steam, and the chart is not nearly as attractive as it once was. Now, keep in mind, losing some attractiveness and being totally ruined are two totally different things. So has the chart lost some of its attractiveness? Yes. Is it totally ruined? No. So how has it lost some of its attractiveness? Well, this will be review for those of you that have watched the past videos, but I've talked time and time again about, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Well, at this point, not only has the price broken below that purple line, it's actually separated quite a bit of a ways down below it. Therefore, yeah, the chart has lost some of its attractiveness. However, is the chart totally ruined? It is not. Why do I say that? Well, when you look at the long-term moving average, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average down there, that pink line, you can see that not only is this line increasing, the price is still above it. And, technically speaking, I guess, when I look at it, hasn't even hit it. Got relatively close, but, hasn't even tested it. So from the big picture of things, the bulls are still in control. Again, going back to perspective in case you think I'm, crazy. Well, like I said, I fully realize that you would think I'm crazy if you bought up there as a day trader or you bought right there and wanted to sell within 5 seconds. But big picture, bulls still have an opportunity to put in, the higher base. Now, if the price breaks down through that pink line and then starts to separate to the downside, at that point, it's no longer a pullback. In my opinion, it would be considered a reversal. But as it stands right now, it is still considered a pullback. But, the pink line is kind of the level to measure, well, is it really a pullback or is it now a reversal? In my opinion, still just a pullback, and it will remain the case as long as the price is above the pink line. So we'll see what happens with it. Still 3 days left this week, so it'll be interesting to see how this all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.